Ekitundu ekya Rwenzori kyesowoddeyo okutumbula ebifo ebisikiriza abalambuzi munda mu ggwanga n'abava ebweru. Mulimu enkula y'ekitundu kino ekijjudde ensozi okuli olwa Rwenzori wamu n'ennyanja ezisikiriza ebika by'ebinyonyi n'ebisolo ebiwerako. Minisita w'ebyobulambuzi Tom Butime asabye abantu mu kitundu okusigala nga baddembe okusikiriza abajja okulambula.
Tourism has played and continues to play a key role in rebuilding communities, restoring hope, and fostering peace. It is through the resumption of tourism activities that these regions are able to recover, create jobs, rebuild infrastructure, and offering their people a path to a bright future. This is what brings us to Kasese today.
Butima agamba batunulidde okumanyisa abantu ebifo enkumu Uganda byerina babirambule okwongera ssente ziyingira mu kittavvu ky'eggwanga.
In other words, what brings us to Kasese today is to make sure that communities rebuild, that we restore hope and foster peace here in Kasese.
Ekitundu kya Rwenzori kinene era minisita omubeezi wa ICT Godfrey Kabyanga Baruku asanyukidde emirembe egireeteddwawo amagye ga UPDF.
General Muhanga for coming in promptly to come and fight ADF when we had the recent attack. And we also thank the President for coming to our rescue. Tourism is improving here because we now have peace.
Ku lwa Kasese District Ssentebe wa LC Eby'okutaano Elifazi Muhindi agamba batunulidde okukyusa embeera z'abantu n'ebyenfuna.
Still, this is also in line with the NRM manifesto pillar, which is talking about socio-economic transformation and political integration. We are grateful to government. I don't know what words I can use, but we are saying the people of Kasese, we are saying bravo to His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda.
Abantu abalala okuva mu Rwenzori bagamba balina bingi ebisikiriza abalambuzi mu kitundu.
We on the map. We on the map of the whole world. But we thank government for having chosen Kasese in particular. It wasn't easy. We have Makizon Falls, we have some other areas in the north and eastern, but it means a lot for us.
So we are sure that the economy of Kasese in the next 2 weeks, according to the reporting, the revenue will be okay and people will enjoy. Those who have sold will be able to pay the school fees, and this is what we need.
Byatumusime Gerard, Sorot TV, Omunyo.